Hello, English learners. Today, let's talk about food. You'll hear two friends discuss their daily meals and favorite snacks, learning useful phrases like go to meal and early bird. Get ready to expand your food vocabulary.
Hey Mark. How are you doing today?
Hi Sarah. I'm great, thanks. In a good mood. And you?
I'm doing really well. Energized, you know? Just had a great coffee.
Nice. Yeah, I had coffee too. This cafe is good.
It is. The smell of coffee is so nice here. Anyway, I was thinking about food today.
Oh, food. Interesting. What about it?
Just, what do people eat, you know? Like, what's a typical day of food for you, Mark?
A typical day. That's a good question. What do you mean by typical?
Like, not special occasions. Just normal food. Your go-to meals, I guess.
Ah, okay. So, my usual food. I see. Well, let's start with breakfast.
Yes, breakfast. The most important meal, right?
For sure. For me, breakfast is usually a smoothie.
A smoothie? Every day?
Almost every day. I put fruit, some spinach, and water. It's quick.
Wow. Spinach? That's healthy.
Yeah, it is. And I drink it fast. Then I have my coffee, like this one.
Coffee is essential, isn't it? Do you wake up early to make your smoothie?
I do. I wake up around 6:30 a.m. most mornings.
6:30 a.m.? You're an early bird. I'm definitely not an early bird.
Yes. Early bird. I like that phrase.
So, after your smoothie and coffee, you're ready for the day?
Mostly. Sometimes I'll add a piece of toast, but usually just the smoothie.
For me, breakfast is toast or yogurt. And always coffee. Always.
Always coffee. I understand that. No spinach in your breakfast, Sarah?
Oh, no way. Not for breakfast. Spinach in an omelet, maybe. But not a smoothie. That sounds, like a lot.
It's surprisingly good. Trust me.
I don't know, Mark. I'm not so sure about that. Maybe I'll try a small sip of yours sometime.
You should. Okay, so that's breakfast. What about lunch?
Lunch. Lunch is often a quick meal for me. Like, I don't always have much time.
Quick meal. Yes, a quick meal. I know what you mean.
Yeah. So, I often grab something from Trader Joe's. They have nice salads or wraps.
Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. Which wrap do you usually get?
Oh, the chicken Caesar wrap. It's my favorite. Or sometimes the kale salad.
Chicken Caesar wrap. I haven't tried that one. I always go for their sandwiches.
You should try it. It's really good. And it's like $4 or $5, so it's not expensive.
$4 or $5 is good for lunch. I usually make my own lunch.
Homemade lunch?
Wow. That takes more time, right?
It does, but it saves money. I usually make a big salad with chicken or some leftovers from dinner.
Leftovers. That's smart. My brain usually forgets about leftovers.
Your brain needs to remember. It's like free food for lunch.
True. I forget. Or I'm in a hurry, so I just buy something.
I know that feeling. Sometimes I'm also in a hurry. Then I get a sandwich, like from the deli across the street.
Oh, that deli. Their pastrami sandwich is amazing, but it's like $10.
Yeah, it's a bit much for everyday lunch, isn't it?
Exactly. So, quick lunch is important for me. Okay, so that's breakfast and lunch. What about dinner?
Dinner is my favorite meal to cook. I like to take my time.
Oh, you cook a lot for dinner?
I try to. I love making pasta dishes, or sometimes a nice curry.
Curry? Wow, that sounds difficult.
It's not too bad. Just lots of spices and fresh vegetables. It's really tasty.
Tasty. That's a good word. I use delicious too much. Tasty is good.
Yeah, tasty or flavorful work well. What about you, Sarah? Do you cook dinner?
I do, but I'm not, as adventurous as you. I mostly make simple things.
Simple is good. What's your favorite simple dinner?
My go-to dinner is often tacos. Easy, right? Just meat, tortillas, and toppings.
Tacos. Yes, tacos are great. And you can add lots of fresh things.
Exactly. Or sometimes a big bowl of ramen. The instant kind, to be honest.
Instant ramen? Yeah, that hits the spot sometimes. Especially when it's cold.
It really does. Ramen is my comfort food, you know?
I know what you mean. Ramen is comfort. My comfort food is probably homemade lasagna.
Lasagna. Wow, that sounds like a lot of work. But very rewarding.
It is. But it's worth it. It makes enough for 2 or 3 dinners.
Smart, smart. So, you use your brain to plan ahead for meals.
I try to. Okay, so we talked breakfast, lunch, dinner. What about snacks?
Snacks. I'm a big snacker. I always need a little something in between.
Me too. What's your usual snack?
Usually fruit, like an apple or banana. Or sometimes some crackers with cheese.
Crackers and cheese. Classic. I like that.
Yeah, simple and good. What about you? Do you snack?
I do. I mostly eat nuts, like almonds or cashews. Or sometimes a protein bar.
Protein bar. That's very, focused. You're very consistent with your healthy eating, Mark.
I try to be. But sometimes I also just want a cookie, you know?
Oh, for sure. Everyone needs a cookie sometimes. What's your favorite kind of cookie?
Chocolate chip, for sure. Freshly baked, still warm.
Oh, me too. That's the best. Nothing beats a warm chocolate chip cookie.
No way. They are so good.
Okay, this is actually really fun, talking about food. I'm learning a lot about your eating habits.
Me too. It's interesting to see how different we are sometimes, and sometimes very similar.
Yeah, exactly. Like, spinach in a smoothie, still not convinced, but chocolate chip cookies? Definitely.
I'll convert you to spinach smoothies one day. What about drinks other than coffee?
Drinks? Mostly water. But sometimes, like a soda with dinner. Or iced tea.
Iced tea is good. I love cold drinks, especially in summer.
Me too. But I drink it too fast and get brain freeze sometimes.
Brain freeze. Oh, that's the worst feeling.
Right? It's like your brain just freezes. It hurts.
Yeah, it hurts. My brain does that too.
So, are you a picky eater, Mark? Or do you try everything?
I try most things. I'm not a picky eater. But I don't like very spicy food.
No spicy food for you. I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
Really? That's interesting. My mouth feels like fire with very spicy food.
My mouth loves fire. It's kind of like a challenge, you know?
I see what you mean, but I prefer less pain in my mouth. My brain says no to spicy.
Haha, your brain is very clear. What about new foods? Do you like to try new restaurants?
Oh, for sure. I love trying new places. There's a new Vietnamese place opening on 5th Street soon.
Oh, I saw that. I want to try their pho. Have you had pho before?
Yes, I love pho. It's a warm soup with noodles and meat. Very good.
Pho. Yes, that's pronounced pho, right?
Yes, exactly. It's really comforting.
I need to go there. My brain is already thinking about that warm soup.
You definitely should. Okay, so let me see if I got everything.
Yes, let's review our food chat.
First, for breakfast, you eat toast or yogurt, and always coffee.
Yes, that's right. And you have a healthy spinach smoothie.
Correct. And then for lunch, you often grab a wrap or salad from Trader Joe's.
Yes, the chicken Caesar wrap. And you make your own lunch, often a salad or leftovers.
That's it. For dinner, you like simple things like tacos or instant ramen.
Exactly. My comfort food. And you cook more adventurous meals, like pasta or curry.
Yes, that's my favorite. And for snacks, we both like fruit or nuts, but sometimes a good chocolate chip cookie.
Definitely the cookie. You got all the main points. Good job, Mark.
And we both love coffee. And sometimes brain freeze from cold drinks.
Haha, yes. This was a great conversation. I think it's important to talk about food.
It is. Food is part of our daily life, and it's interesting to share.
Yeah, and it makes me think about trying new things. Maybe less ramen, more homemade meals.
That's a good goal, Sarah. You could try making a big salad for lunch sometimes.
I will. And I might even try your spinach smoothie. Just one time.
Yes. You must try it. You might like it. What's one new food you want to try this week?
Oh, that's a good question. I think I'll try pho from that new place on 5th Street.
Great choice. Let me know how it is.
I will. It was fun chatting with you, Mark.
You too, Sarah. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. See you soon.
Keep practicing your English by talking about your daily habits, just like Sarah and Mark discussed their go-to meals. The more you talk, the more natural your English will feel.
Subscribe to English and Chill for more real conversations and daily English practice.